I'll see with you, please. All right, let's continue. Good morning, everyone. Once again, welcome to TotalReach live session. And in this live session, we'll be showcasing you how TotalReach is working, how organized our system is, and also the tool that we distribute, which is the Go High level. Now we can use the tool and how you can use it to apply to your business for you to scale higher. Before I go too much, I'll quickly go through the table of content for today. And we also have a topic that will be putting you through it today, which is the creation of a website. Many customers and many users of the Go High level wonder how they can create websites and how they can use it to scale in their business. So the purpose of this live session is to educate you. It's a free live session anyways. It's to educate you on the usage of these tools. And for new users that are yet to even get the tool, the TotalReach Go High level, we also put you through on how to navigate our TotalReach app, our TotalReach dashboard, and for you to effectively subscribe. So this is the table of content for today. Sorry, I'm still with you. All right. I believe my screen is being seen globally. I've shared my screen. So I'll be talking about the relationship between TotalReach and the Go High level. I'll be putting you through on how to navigate on the platform also. I'll be putting you through on the settings and navigation of our platform. Likewise, discuss the difference between affiliate account, hub account, partner account, because we realize some of our customers that are trying to even get the Go High level, one way or the other, find themselves subscribing for other platforms on our TotalReach. So that's why I said we are doing this for you to be able to understand how to go about things on our dashboard to avoid any future errors. And lastly, I'll be talking about our support platforms and where you can reach out to TotalReach in all streams of network and the community available for you as well. And the topic for today, like I said, is creation of website on the Go High level. Creation of websites on the Go High level. You don't have to be a developer. You don't have to study computer science in school. That's the beauty of it. The Go High level is very simple to understand. Only if you can be attentive and you can focus on every teachings or every lessons. And the beauty of it is that if you already have the Go High level, I love it if you can be very, very practical. Meaning that as I'm clicking on something, you can likewise do the same thing. Practice makes perfection. So I wouldn't want you to just be listening on or to leverage on theory alone. No, no. I also learned practically. Do you understand? So let's start with the platform, which is TotalReach. Now, the beauty of it is that TotalReach is a subsidiary of Saddle Prime Limited. We are a major distributor of the tool, the Go High level. The Go High level is an American company, and the Go High level is an all-in-one sales and marketing platform that is useful and is applicable to everyone. Do you understand? TotalReach partner with them. We localize the Go High level and make it easily purchasable and applicable to your business. Do you understand? So that is why we are here to ensure that we reach out to everyone globally and you don't miss out on anything. Likewise, that TotalReach has done a whole lot of good by doing a whole lot of personalizations of our platform. I will show you what I mean by that when I log into the Go level so that you can understand better. So first of all, to reach out to TotalReach, the first thing you need to do is to go to your browser and click on and search TotalReach.app. So I'll be doing that practically, like I said the other time. And the purpose of this is for users that are yet to get the tool. And I also want to let you know that we have our chat box available. Should in case you have questions while we are doing this live sessions and you want me to probably go back a little or to recap, please feel free to use the chat box on this platform. You can send any message. I'll be seeing it here. If you have any complaints, I'll be seeing it here, and I'll be able to attend to it right here, right now. So now we go to, I'm going to my browser now. I've typed totalreach.app. So totalreach.app, exactly. So this is how it's going to look like. Do you understand? For new users, this is how it's going to look like. Please, if you're already a user, kindly exercise patience. Very soon, shortly, you will go into the topic for today. So I'll quickly paraphrase this, go through this, while we'll go to the topic for today, which is the creation of the website on the Go I level. Now, this is our dashboard. Let me quickly do some navigation below. So can you see we have a whole lot of people that have used our platform. Because of time, let me just click on one of these local users here in Nigeria. Look at this Mr. Yusuf here. He said TotalReach app enables him to generate more income. Do you understand? No matter what you are earning right now, TotalReach helps you to enhance, to scale higher in that business of yours. So TotalReach enable a plumber. So you may be wondering that TotalReach might be for professionals, maybe banks or hospitals, organized, structured professionals. No, TotalReach is needed by every single business owner, be it a barber, be it a school owner, any person that actually wants to scale in their business needs to get TotalReach. Do you understand? So TotalReach is for everybody. And let me just use one more because of time. Mr. Hafiz, yes, he switched between platforms. He has switched between many platforms. You are welcome, Mr. Hafiz. He switched to, can you mute your mic, sir? He switched to many platforms before he was able to know about TotalReach. I said the other time that TotalReach is all-in-one marketing tool, all-in-one marketing platform. Do you understand? Mr. Hafiz has been using probably 9 tools. He has been using a whole lot of tools, spending a whole lot of money to get the same result that Go High Levels TotalReach is going to give it at just a single app. Do you understand? So let's continue while we go through the navigation of TotalReach. So these are a lot of testimonies, people that have tasted and they can bet for a fact that TotalReach is the best. And these are the platforms that we can assist you with. Today, we're talking about websites, creation of websites. So the Go level can help you with the sales funnels, social media management, e-commerce store, courses, modem CRM, sorry, blogs, appointment bookings, forms, quizzes, and surveys, and so much more. So let's quickly go below it. Now, this is the beauty of it. I love coming to this part of this segment. And the beauty of it is that a whole lot of tools out there, you will need to subscribe to them mostly per month. Do you understand? Per month. But for TotalReach, you don't have to do that. All you need to do is to get it per year for that amount. Do you understand? Per year. And that per year gives you the opportunity to get a full stack product, not a or adulterated or a some people be wondering, why am I getting it for this price? And will I be able to get all the tools, that is inside the Go High level? Yes, you'll be getting everything without anything diluted, without anything limited. Do you understand? So as you can see on my screen, for you to get this plan, you'll be getting an unlimited website, unlimited sales funnels, unlimited e-commerce stores, unlimited blogs, unlimited CRM and pipelines, unlimited workflow and automation, unlimited appointment bookings, unlimited Facebook and IG bots, unlimited Facebook and IG auto comments. You can generate unlimited leads using the TotalReach platform, unlimited courses, do you understand? And membership, unlimited students under your courses, A/B split testing, and so much more. Now, the beauty of it is that these tools are unlimited, and they are also available with unlimited space. I was talking to someone today, and we're having an interaction on how to create courses and and all that. The beauty of it is that you can have over 1,000, over 10,000 courses in your TotalReach Go level. without being worried about, oh, the space, will it be adequate? Will I be able to will it be able to contain it? No. It has unlimited tools inside unlimited space. Do you understand? So all these tools I mentioned right now in our live session, which is a free session to help you to scale in your business and to apply these tools in your business, we treat them every single day from Monday to Friday from 10 a.m. to 12 noon, just 2 hours. And we try as much as possible to work with time to make it even lesser than that. My point is, try and always join us on our live session, because we use that to assist you with some of our users that just got the Go High level from us, and they don't even know much on how to use it for their business. So the live session is available every single day from Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 12 noon. So while we continue the navigation in your own way, in your own phone or your tablet or on your desktop or computer, you can navigate as I am also doing that if you are a user or even if you are just joining us for the first time. Now, the frequently asked questions. These questions, we have a lot of questions from our customers. So we try to, we did a little summary of the common questions. Then we publish it right here on our TotalReach app. Do you understand? Now, let me choose the one that is very, very important. A very, very important one so that you don't limit yourself as a user. This question says, I'm not tech savvy. Can I use, TotalReach? The answer is very simple. The answer is absolutely yes. TotalReach is built for beginner friendly. When you say beginner, it means amateur. People with no record of ICT. Do you understand? As long as you can operate, of course, you can operate a phone, you can operate your tab. A lot of us use Facebook, a lot of us you can play game on your phone. As long as you can navigate with these your simple tools, trust me, you are qualified to use TotalReach, and you are qualified to be that special person. Do you understand? That's the tool is useful for. Now, it's built in a beginner-friendly way. We offer step-to-step training. We have communities. I know some of you joining us are from either our WhatsApp platform or Facebook platform or our Telegram group and all that. So my point is, we have community, WhatsApp, Telegram. We have a lot of community whereby we roll in resources, we roll in things that can help you, trainings that can help you to use the TotalReach platform, the Go High level, and to apply it to your business. So yes, you don't have to be a developer, you don't have to be a tech savvy, and you can earn as much as these developers do. Do you understand? I will take you through the preparation of websites, which is done. In fact, you can do that with less than 30 minutes, and you get your clients, and you start making, of course, your earnings. So the second one is very simple. The second one is saying, sorry, okay, I'm back on the page. The second one is saying that, can I use this to build websites? That is a very, very nice question. Can I use this to build websites or funnels for clients? So the question is meant for you. You are the one asking. Now, this is the answer I'm going to be giving to you. Yes, absolutely. Many of you are users, are freelancers. Do you understand? Many of you are, e-commerce business persons. You are agencies, and you manage people's projects. You manage clients' projects using TotalReach. You can even charge your client, like I said the other time. You can make money from this platform by charging your clients. In fact, you can decide to say, okay, I'm managing clients, I'm doing websites, maybe people around you in your community, in your estate, you just go to some schools, maybe you just work with 10 schools in your area, and you check online. Let me check my school in my area, this school is in my area. Do they have a website? Do they have a funnel or anything, to give them that awareness? And you see that these schools, they don't have it. You can just give them a proposal. Do you understand? You can just create something on the TotalReach platform, the Go Island, design a website for them, show them. You can visit these schools, show them that this is what I've been briefly able to do for you. Of course, you will not give them the file. Let them just see what you can do for them. Do you understand? You won't give them the file until they're ready to have a contract with you. Then imagine having 10 schools around you and you create a website for these 10 schools and you are being charged, you charge them for maintenance probably every month. Imagine what you can be able to make every single month from this service. Can you see? Just imagine that. And you are not a developer, you don't necessarily have to be a professional. All you need to be is a user of TotalReach. Do you understand? So let's continue. Now, I've been able to navigate through this platform, and you can see for a fact that we have a whole lot of things for you to learn from, a whole lot of functionalities on this platform. Our customer care service, everything is there, our support platform, our usage cost is also very important for you to know which tools we attract charges. Do you understand? So now, for a new user, you can use any of these get started buttons. There are about 7 get started buttons on this single page. So I'll just choose any one. Let me just choose this one. Okay, so we are there. The purpose of me coming here is to show you on how you can easily, navigate through your tool. You can navigate through your platform yourself. Do you understand? Sorry. So now, if you are joining us for the first time, let's use the demo account. So Mr. Shiro, and the last name and the first name is Mr. Hafiz. Do you understand? Then ensure you use an email that is functional, that is working. Sorry, I think I use capital letter here. Sorry, for users that are already on this platform, kindly exercise patience. I'll also be done with this. Then you can create, you can use an email address that is functional, like I said the other time, so you don't miss out on your details. So because of the purpose of this live session, I'll just use example@gmail.com. Yeah, example@gmail.com. Then you put in your phone number. Now, this is a beautiful aspect of it. The creation of password is very important. And the reason why you have to do this is for you to be able to log in and to ensure that confidentiality is on your tool. No, not just anybody can come to your Goa level and you have a client that even said his funnels. Yes, I remember. His funnels, he logged in, his funnels were deleted. I was like, how is it possible for your working tools to be deleted? And he said it was not the one that deleted it though. And I was like, really? Okay, fine. And I asked him, on your tool, your TotalReach Go level, how many persons are there? We have some organization can get it, the Go level platform from us, and create it for their staffs. Do you understand? Maybe the owner or the boss could be the admin of that platform. Then the staffs can be users. Do you understand? Now, if you don't create, when you are creating staffs, I'll show you briefly when I enter the Go level what I mean. When you are creating staffs and you don't give them level of authorization, maybe you made all of them admin, or perhaps you didn't limit their level of authorization. That is when things like this will happen. This staff, probably one of them mistakenly, or I don't know, deleted his work tools or deleted his funnels. Do you understand? You can be able to, if you are designing this, we are your staffs by the ability for you to assign roles to them. Let's say Mr. Hafiz, for instance, is my staff. I am the admin. I can decide to say, out of all my 5 staffs, Mr. Hafiz, authorization to undo funnels or websites. So if anything happens to my funnel as the admin or the website or the thing, I'll be holding Mr. Hafiz accountable. Do you understand? So I think that person had issue with his staffing or his staffs. So it's very, very important. I just quickly remember that. That's why I said that briefly. Now, for the issue of this password, you can ensure that this password is something that follows this rule. What do I mean by following the rule? At least your password must be 8 characters long must contain one number, contain special character, must contain uppercase, which is the capital letter, must contain a lowercase. So briefly, I'll give you a sample of what I mean. So I'm using Shiru Afis. Can you see? She is up to 8 characters already. It has the uppercase, which is I started with the capital letter S, and the others are the lowercase. I'm here to put a special character. I'm here to put a number. So if by any time you're trying to sign up, because I know some new persons are on this live session and they've been thinking on how to get the total reach, how to subscribe, and I'm here today to assist you. So you can do that right away. So ensure that everything is green. So I'm going to be adding special character. I'm going to add the number so that it can all be green. Once they are all green, it's a pass mark. So can you see? You can use any one. You can use asterisk. You can use exclamation mark. You can use and. You can use at. Anything you want to do. Then you can use any number. So for the purpose of this live session, I use 1. Do you understand? So let's continue. So we are good to go. Then the next one is the security question. The purpose of the security question, because of a lot of our users, some of them forget their password. So that is why it is very good to note down your details, either your bank details or anywhere you find yourself. Although I know our brain is authentic, trust me, I know, but we have a whole lot in our minds. The mind is natural. The mind is not built or wired that way. The brain is powerful. The brain can do a whole lot of things. In fact, we as human, it's possible for us not to have used even 10% of our brain, like I said, some research said. However, the mind is always busy, busy. So that is why it is good to note down your login details or any of your tools. Now, for purpose of you recovering them, we decided to draft like a 6 security question. You can use the one that is personal to you, meaning that don't use a demo or a virtual or a play answer. No, because by the time you really need this thing, maybe after 2-3 months, you want to renew your GoI level, you might have challenges for renewal, because this is where you still come back to renew your GoI level. Now, let me choose a particular one. If you don't have a favorite color, don't choose that option. But of course, if you know you have a favorite color and your color is what you already know, of course, you can put your color there. You can use white. If you have a lot of colors in your mind, you can go for other questions. Maybe your best pets, the secondary school you attended, you finished from, the year you finish your secondary school is there. You can choose any other and you ensure you note it down, or it's something that is very personal to you. Then you continue on create account here. Okay, still loading. Kindly remember to drop your, okay, very, very nice one. Somebody has dropped a question here. He said, Mr. Abdul Rashid, we appreciate your question. Yeah, he said his ads is not converting at all. All right, we apologize about on that. Sorry about that. However, we need to check. You chat me on, I think it's a familiar person. Yeah, Mr. Rashid. Chat me on WhatsApp, please. Chat me on WhatsApp, or you can drop a message on this platform, on this YouTube DM. So I will need to check your ad settings. Do you understand? I also need to know on which platform are you running your campaigns. Do you understand? Either you are doing it on probably on TikTok or Facebook. So you need to check. You need to check because your ads supposed to convert. That is the purpose of running ads. It has to, to convert. So we should ensure that we drop our complaints here and we will investigate for you reasons why his ad is not converting. It's probably the settings from his ad manager on Facebook. So the settings has to be well checked. And we need to also see if the funnels he used, or I don't know what he actually used. So I need more information, Mr. Rashid. Do you understand? I need more information on that. So let me quickly reply him, Please kindly exercise patience, please. Good morning, sir. Yes, sorry about that. So you see that our live session is very interactive, very, very interactive. So that's why I said, if any of you listen to me have complaints that we can assist you with, please drop it here. We try as much as possible to assist you if we have answers to them, of course, right here on live session. So as I said, we're sorry about that, Mr. Abdul Rashid. However, I'll need more information. Information. Sorry. On the platform you are running your ads on, and the settings needs to be reviewed. So please, you need to chat us after. Thank you, Mr. Rashid, for that. You know, for that. Thank you very much. So let's continue, please. So now I'm going back to our page. So now when we clicked create account, it brought us right here. Do you understand? It brought us right here. So right here is where you have to, state the premium, the subscription you are going for. Either you're going for the annual or the monthly, but it's always advisable, very, very advisable as a business owner, that you go for the one that is for a full year. Do you understand? If you go for the one that is monthly, by the time you can calculate the amount you have spent in a single year, it's a whole lot of waste. Do you understand? So that is that about that. So let's continue. So I'm just doing a demo, something demo because of time. So the city is Ikorodu, state is Lagos. Now, if you want your postal code for Ikorodu, all you need to do is go to your Google and search for your postal code. Then when you get your postal code, you paste it here for you to be able to use it. Then your country, Nigeria, you scroll down under N, M-N-N, yeah, Nigeria, yeah, thank you. I've seen Nigeria. Nigeria, you can choose any of the two platforms. Do you understand? Then you go to pay now. So I want to briefly show you how it looks like. Do you understand? How it looks like for you to be able to, actually make your payment easily. Now, this is a checkout for payment to be received on our behalf by Paystack. Do you understand? And whenever you come to a checkout, kindly ensure the company is there, like our own now. Can you see right here? We have Saddle Prime Limited. And I said earlier on that TotalReach is a subsidiary of Saddle Prime Limited. So now you can also see that the email of that client that is subscribing to is also there. We use a demo email. This is it. The subscription is there so that you can know if you are good to go with the process. You can actually make your payment with a lot of platforms like the Zap, the card, transfer, bank, USSD, Pay Attitude, and OPay. Now, once you do that, automatically this page will pop out like a successful, completion of transaction. And should in case it doesn't do that, please don't not panic. Kindly exercise patience. All you need to do is to click on I've completed the payment here. Can you see? I've completed the payment. Once you click on it, it will be the network that delayed it. So it will bring out a successful platform for you to continue your payments. Now, for the purpose of this live session, I'm not making payments for today. So I'm clicking on cancel so I can go back to click pay later. So I'll go back to click pay later here. Okay, while it's still loading, please don't forget to drop your questions if you have any questions. kindly ensure that you drop it. And Mr. Abdul Rashid, please, I'll still be expecting your DM so that I can assist you right here or after this live session. Thank you, sir. So now this account has been opened successfully. As you can see, the first header is giving me a congratulations. Likewise, TotalReach will send you an email. Do you understand? An email will be sent to you for joining our platform. If I continue with that payment of the purchase of the Go High Level themselves will also do what? They will send me a message welcoming me to the platform. Can you see how dynamic the partnership is? It shows that you are really in the right place. Do you understand? So next on this platform is the quick action. Like I said the other time, it's going to be showing inactive because I didn't make the payment. Mr. Hafiz did not make the payment. So the beauty of it is that you have to be careful because I have a customer that actually wanted to get this Go High Level here, and the person mistakenly made the payment, for Yoba, this one. Do you understand? He made the payment for Yoba, and I was like, what's, it depends. Maybe the customer was maybe in a rush or something. That is why guidance is very important. That is why this live session was created. Do you understand? So a lot of people will be saying, why is he repeating? Why is he repeating this same thing? The beauty of it is that there are some new users. We have a whole lot of people that come to our live sessions every single day, different persons, different users, different prospects. Do you understand? So we don't want to miss out on that information for anyone. So that is why we take that stress, we take that sacrifice, and we repeat this exact platform every single day from Monday to Friday. So don't let us get tired. If you're already a user, kindly exercise patience. We have a few minutes, probably by before 11 or 11, we'll start the creation of websites on the Go High Level proper. So this free live session, free courses is very beneficial for you. You may have forgotten some of these things, some of these tools if you're already a user, and to remind you, to help you to refresh your mind how it goes. So now here you can see more actions. You can go back if you didn't actually purchase the Go High Level. You can obviously go back to do what? To click on purchase the Go High Level and make your payments. So Mr. Fizz has not purchased his courses. You can do that here. You can create hub accounts here. You can join community here and affiliate program. So next on our navigation, I'm still on the navigation of our table of contents. It shows courses. Mr. Hafiz has no course, has no community because he's just joining us. You can get all this after you have been a user. You can join our community platform. We can also manually add you to our WhatsApp platform and our Telegram platform for you to enjoy more resources and more information. Next is settings on this platform. Settings is showing you your information. Do you understand? As you can see on my screen, the name and the email address is there. Next on the platform is account status. Now, this persona that is active is the TotalReach platform. This page is active because it's working. From it, you can do other subscription like the Go High Level, affiliate account, hub account. I'll explain that shortly now. And then you can actually come back to purchase these things through this platform. So that this inactive will change back to active, and you can do that as well. And lastly, below we have our security questions. We have our security questions here. The beauty of this platform here is some of our users, they have challenges of remembering or recollecting their password. You don't have to panic. All you need to do is come to your TotalReach.app, you log in, then you come to your settings, then you change your password. Ensure you use a password that you can easily remember. Do you understand? And if you had used a security question that is not personalized to you, probably when they ask you what is your best color, and because of you're in a hurry, you just chose green, and your best color is not green. Your best color probably is white or purple. Do you understand? Don't worry, you can change that on this platform. You can come to update security question and adjust that as well. And lastly, here we have our support team. on WhatsApp, you can send emails to us via our email support on this platform. You can do a lot of reaching out using Instagram or Facebook platform, and we will definitely attend to you. Our support team are working 24/7 real time, and they are always available to assist you. Now, the table of content is simply still talking about our topic for today. I've been able to do a whole lot today. I've been able to talk about the relationship between TotalReach and the Go High level. I've done the logging in. I've showcased the interface, the settings, and navigations of this platform. Now, this is talking. The next segment is talking about our created accounts. Our accounts that actually is our own way of giving back to the community. What do I mean by that? The primary aim for TotalReach, the primary vision of TotalReach is to help solve problems. Do you understand? Help solve problems in so many ways. We have a lot of people that they want to start businesses, probably e-commerce businesses or any business of their choice. They don't know how to go about it. There are some people that they have what it takes to start up a business. They have the capital. They don't know the technicality or how to go about it. TotalReach is here to assist you. And with these platforms, the affiliates, the hub, the partner, is our way of giving back to you. What do I mean by that? Now, when you join our affiliate platform, you become an affiliate marketer. TotalReach is giving you 40% recurring commission. Do you understand? When you bring any person, you recommend persons to get TotalReach from us, the Go High level, of course. And these persons are people that they've gotten this platform. You will be getting 40% on just one user. If that user continue to renew subscription every single year, you will keep getting 40%. Come on, isn't that amazing? Do you understand? It is very, very amazing. I just mentioned one. What about you get 10%? What about you've gotten 100%? When you do the maths, I'm sure you understand better where I'm going to. Now, that is about the affiliate account. Then we create a dashboard for you. We create an affiliate link. That link will help you to do what? To create accounts for your referrals. Now, once you get a referral, the referral gets the make payment and you get the Go High level. Automatically, 40% from that amount the referral paid will go into your dashboard. So every Friday, we open our platform for you to be able to cash out on your commission. It is very, very transparent and very, very simple. Do you understand? So the next one is the Hub account. Now, Hub account is designed in a way whereby people that handle other people's projects or accounts can easily navigate and use this. It's created for probably developers and professionals. Do you understand? So imagine you get the tool for us for a year for our amount, our annual price. Then, based on your negotiation with your client, you can decide to scale higher and do a service charge where you still get 100% profits. Do you understand? So it's very amazing. And we design in a way whereby you will be able to handle your client's account very, very transparent, very, very accessible. So that is that our Hub account. Now, the last one, which is the partner account, is the juicy aspect of this segment. What do I mean by that? Imagine getting above affiliate accounts commission or affiliate marketers commission of 40%. With partner account, you can be a partner today and you can enjoy up to 70% commission. Up to 70%. So for partner accounts, we also went ahead to create three great platforms, three accounts or three plans. The first plan under partner is the basic plan, whereby you get 25 licenses upfront. Then you get 25 referrals to get this to the Go High level. Then you will get about 50% of discount and commission. Do you understand? The second one is the standard plan, whereby you get from us upfront 50 licenses. Those licenses means 50 software. Do you understand? That you refer and you sell to persons. Now, when your referral gets this, of course, from us, we will give you 60% discount on that software, on that license. And lastly, which is the groundbreaking dynamic plan. You will be getting 100 licenses, 100 upfront from us. Now, this 100 will give you an avenue to earn 70% discount or commission on this platform. That is very nice. With these commissions you are getting, you can start up a new business, you can use it to scale your business, you can boost your capital, and of course, that is why we decided for you to join us. We don't want to be the only one benefiting. It's not all about we benefiting from you this time around. No, it's about you benefiting from our partnership. And partnership is the greatest foundation for a success. Do you understand? So that is the beauty about that. Lastly, because of our time, we have our support platform, our Telegram, our live session, like I said now, is now available from Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 12 noon. You're available on Facebook. You can drop DMs on Facebook. You can drop DMs on any platform, even on our YouTube channel. You can drop any messages, and our support teams will pick it up and they will attend to you right there. So before we go to our class for today, I'll quickly brief through our chat box to see if we actually have probably a message for us once again. Okay, so that is still that. So let's continue, please. I'm still with you. So now, once you got the GOA level, our tool that we distribute here in TotalReach, once you be able to get the GOA level, you will send a mail, like I mentioned earlier on. Now, you will get your login details, your username and password. Do you understand? Now, when you now go to the dashboard, all you need to do is to go to app.goalevel.com. This is what I'm showing you right now on my screen. Let me close this one so I don't. Please, while we are doing this class, it's very simple. For new users or for people that actually, have an idea, you will see that it is very, very simple. Because we have made it beginner friendly, we have made it applicable, do you understand, for you to be able to make use of it. So that when I say it's very, very simple, some may be wondering that how is that possible? Yes, it is very, very possible. Do you understand? So that is what I want to show you briefly. So now, once you've gotten your GoI level, you get your username and password. Do you understand? And also, you will get to a part. I don't want to log out from this one. Okay, let me just try and sign out so you can have an idea what I'm talking about. Okay, so now this is how it looks like. This is the dashboard. This is the login page. You put your email address there, you put your password. Do you understand? Then it takes you to the next one, requesting for, of course, OTP. Do you understand now? To take you to the platform requesting for OTP, I'm logging in with my email address to make it faster for me so that I won't be able to stress myself getting those OTPs. So now you take it to where you get your OTP. It will ask you, do you want to get your OTP via your email address or you want to get your OTP via your phone number? You can click on either of the two, although it's always advisable to get your OTP via your email address because once you have maybe you're using a Wi-Fi hotspot and all that, and your network is stable, you can easily go to your email on your system on your phone and do what? And get your resources. And you can now log into your Go level. And if you choose the phone number, provided your service provider is having a stable network, no problem. But if your service provider is having a network downtime, that information will be hard for you to use to log in with. Do you understand? So now let's continue. So this is how the interface, just the way I showed you the TotalReach interface, it looks like now and what we are even talking about, I will quickly do a navigation on this page. So now the first one is the Launchpad. And Launchpad is actually having like a summary of how you can integrate, you can plug in yourself with your tools. If you have your tool, you can plug in your tools with you're welcome, everyone. Sorry, the network brought me out. Thank you for your patience on our platform. So I'll quickly go to what we are talking about. All right. So I was on the platform of the Go High level talking about the Launchpad. And this Launchpad is where you can briefly, integrate your tools within the Go High level. Now, before I go to the next one, can you see that over here you have the TotalReach logo? Do you see? Mrs. Janet Sishara, you're welcome also. Now, you have the logo here. Can you see? And look below this Go High level, you can see that you have TotalReach support on this same platform. That is how strong the connection we have in TotalReach with Go High level. Do you understand? So if you are getting the Go High level and it's not having this, you don't have the logo from TotalReach, you don't have our support team inside the Go High level, you may not be doing yourself any good. The reason I said that is because if you have a challenge, let's say you don't have any means of reaching out to anyone and you want to create something on your funnels, you have challenges on even uploading files on your media storage, and who do you want to call? Now, we've made it very, very accessible and useful for you so that you won't have to panic at any point in time. All you need to do is to do what? To come to TotalReach support here. Please, I'm still with you, please. While it's loading, I'm still with you, please. I want to ensure that my network is stable without any form of external distraction on my network provider. So I'm still with you, please. And that was what bounced me out the other time. Okay, let's continue. So now you look right here on our platform, then you can see that we have a form for you. If you are trying to use your platform and you notice that you have challenges, or maybe your pipeline is not well connected, are you getting me? You can come to this platform and do the needful. You can come here to click on Total Support here. You can fill in that form. Do you understand? You can fill in that form. So once you fill in that form, then, like I said the other time, it's always good for you to be able to upload, always upload whatever the challenge is on this platform. I'm still with you, please. Then once you upload it here, it will help you a whole lot. It will help you to be able to, for us, our support team, be able to attend to you easily without challenges. Do you understand? It will help you a whole lot. So if you have challenges, please ensure you use this. Ensure you use this explanation I just mentioned now. Ensure you use this screenshot. Then after doing that, you can do what? You can submit. Now, once you submit, our support platform will pick it up automatically. Our contact support team will reach out to you, and of course, it will put you through on how to navigate on your Go High level or on your TotalReach platform. So that is why I said with us to use our tool, not only for the fact that you want unlimited space that we have or unlimited tools that we have. Also, the benefit is your security. You have to secure these your tools, and of course, we appreciate the trust you have, in us so far, and will ensure that you reach that goal, which is scaling your business. That is why we are TotalReach. Now, I'm going back to Dashpad. Okay, I think my network is not so stable. So the Launchpad is showing you how you can, plug in your WhatsApp. Do you understand? If you have a WordPress, probably you create your website from WordPress right from time. You can plug it in right here using the Launchpad or the integration features. You have the dashboard, which shows you every single thing you are doing at a single go on your platform. Just showing what you've been doing so far on different tools, opportunities, or emails on your platforms. We have conversation. The all-in-one tool is the Go High Level. One of the tools is the CRM. CRM is customer relationship management. So if you have a business that you're running, don't forget that having a relationship with your customer is very, very important, because once your customer purchases something from you or do a business with you and you don't have that rapport, do you understand? Such a customer might forget dealing with you, even if they need that product another time, and another competitor out there is already doing that for them, having a rapport with them, they will prefer that new relationship with that person. So the Go High Level has been designed in a very unique way, whereby you can enjoy conversations. That means you can send SMS. That's what I mean. You can get a phone number. You can get a phone number on our platform. International numbers can be purchased, so that you can also talk to clients that are not in your locality. The beauty of you doing a business is to have clients globally, having clients all over the world. Do you understand? So TotalReach helps you to reach every corner of the world. So you can use the CRM tool. You can use calendars for bookings and appointments. Do you understand? Probably some of these your customers that have been in your pipeline, or they are dealing with you, or they are in communication with you. You can create an appointment with them. Do you understand? You can create an appointment with them whereby you can be having conversations with them, and that's going to be very interesting. For contacts, which is the next one, all your leads that you got from your Facebook campaign or your TikTok campaign or all your campaigns, they are automatically coming into your Go High Level. I was talking to someone today, and I think a female, she was more of like, how will she be able to, be adding people manually? I think it was on WhatsApp actually. I told her that is actually might be a little work. Do you understand? And it's two ways. The Go High Level assists you in two ways. You can either do it manually, you know, getting your contact in your Go High Level or communicating with your customers. You can also do it automatically. You can automate it. What do I mean by that? You just need to put a form on your platform, maybe your Facebook campaign. You add a form there, and that form, once your customers fills in their phone numbers, or their WhatsApp number, their email address, and their names, automatically it comes to contact. Do you understand? Except you have customers in your store that they come to your store one on one. Probably they come to your store. Then you can say, okay, fine. Let me manually add them to my contact. And the beauty of this contact, the CRM tool, is for you to retarget your customer. What do I mean by that? A customer came to my shop today. Maybe the person bought the phone. Maybe the brand of the phone, a particular brand. And maybe 8 months, probably the customer changes phone every year. Do you understand? So because I have the contact of the customer, and me, I also have new phones in stock every year, I can retarget that same customer, maybe Mr. Malik or Mr. Johnson. I can just say, oh, Mr. Johnson bought phones also the January last year. We have new phones this year. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Send a funnel to him. Send an email, I can publish an email marketing. I'll forward it because I have his details. Send an email to him. The email will be showing the new phones, probably the updated version of the phone he bought last year. So the CRM tool is very, very dynamic. And with it, you will not miss out. In fact, you'll be tired of getting a whole lot of leads. Leads will be begging you like this. Do you understand? So the next one is the opportunity pipeline. All these things are topics on their own, and we treat them every single day. Do you understand? We treat them every single day. So opportunity and pipelines is where your form, your customers' interest, your prospect interest, are you getting me? It goes into the pipeline. Once they fill their details, they fill everything they need to fill from your form, it goes into your what? Your pipeline. Then from your pipeline, you can have a flow chart with them. Then you can navigate the steps and the stages as you are communicating with them and based on your relationship with them. And it's one of the topics we've treated so far, but this week is a new week. Thank God it's a new month as well. Happy new month to everyone once again. So we roll out different courses, different topics every single day from Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 12 noon. Do you understand? Can you see how I'm moving? I'm moving. I will explain this once we start our topic again. I'm moving my leads. That's the beauty of opportunities. I'm moving my leads, and the leads contains the whole details, the name of the person, the details of that person, the email address, the phone number of this person is right here. And this came from my form on my landing page. Do you understand? And it's going to be even be showcasing the amount that you can derive from closing that deal. There's a whole lot of beautiful package in this TotalReach platform. Do you understand? So because of time, I will quickly go through payments now. Payment is where you can, upload your products, you can add your products, you can do, a lot of things here, a lot of subscription. You can even integrate your payment tools. Maybe you want to use Paystack, for example. You are doing online store and you want someone to make payments from that your store. You can use your manual account, but some they don't like using their manual account. So the beauty of it is that they can come to integrations here. And under integration, you can use any account of choice. You can connect with PayPal. So anything you want to do, of course, you can enjoy it right here on the Go High level. And the beauty of you using this account is for your customers to be able to make payments using the checkout. What do I mean by that? The other time I showed you on our platform, I was able to show you a Paystack checkout. And Paystack checkout is useful for people to use basically because you actually made an integration. So you come into this integration, you'll be able to do the needful. The next one is AI agent, whereby you can able to use some of these tools, voice conversational AI, content AI, doing a lot of things using artificial intelligence. But our advice as well for you to check our usage cost on our TotalReach platform so you can understand the cost of the usage of these AI tools, which is mostly pay as you use. Now let's continue. Now, for this purpose of this live session, we'll be using these things. Okay, this is not the thing. This is actually marketing, showcasing the email marketing, social planning. You can do a lot of things right here. You can use your ad managers. You can use a lot of things connecting your tools in this all-in-one marketing platform. The next one is the automation, where you can actually automate your tools, making your business automatically ready to scale. Do you understand? You can scale your business automatically using automations. Imagine someone on your Facebook. Do you understand? While you are asleep or while you are busy with other things, as a lead or a prospect is showing interest. And this lead of yours is not in Nigeria. I was talking to someone today as well. I think the person might be in this live session. And she was telling me that what if I want to get clients from abroad? And I said, I was happy the way she was thinking was giving me joy. What do I mean by that? Because we don't need to localize ourselves. The same way these Chinese, these European countries, they don't limit their goods. They don't limit their service to their country. That is why most of us in Africa here, we are even the ones that patronize them the more. All right. Sorry once again, everyone. I don't know why the network is keep cutting or breaking. So I'll be faster now because of I don't want to waste much time on this network. So I'll go straight to the topic on this segment. Please kindly bear with me. And the topic is talking about. Okay, I'll see with you. Sorry, I want to be sure you're able to see me. Then on that site, you'll be able to see a whole lot of tools like funnels creation, websites, online store, webinars, analytics, blogs, WordPress, forms, services, chat with I want to confirm if you see and you listen to me. So, if you can hear me, I just want to say, so you come here to website. That's the paper. Going back to what we discussed earlier on, so we're talking about website creation. So let's quickly look at the purpose of website creation. Your website is more than just an online presence. Do you understand? It is a powerful tool that helps business build credibility. It attracts customers and also do what? Drive growth. Do you understand? The website does a whole lot of things. You can build trust and credibility. Imagine someone coming to your website and coming to you, sorry, and you are trying to, sell something to the person, and the person actually does not even know you personally, and the person, of course, wants to know more about what you do. You can talk to the person on phone. The person will not really understand a whole lot of what you are discussing or what you are saying. Do you understand? The person will even trust you more if only you can give the person an opportunity to see more of what you are talking about. So that is why the website is very important. The person can himself or herself alone see everything you are talking about even without guidance. Do you understand? So the beauty of website is that website is almost like funnels, but they are different because funnels is only talking about a particular product or a particular action. Do you understand? While website is a collection of funnels. Just like you say you brought like 7 funnels into a particular page, then that forms a website. Do you understand? So for today, I will be talking about websites, and please, I want you to be attentive and to understand what I said down. If you're not able to understand, please can you, chat box and let me know so that I can quickly do what I can quickly go back and to explain better. So let's continue. So now this is our go high level platform. We go to our website platform here. Now on website platform, you click on new website. Now the beauty of it is that you can create a new website from the scratch right here. But the go high level, the total reach has helped you with a whole lot of templates. And the reason why we did that is for you to be able to meet up with your client. Now I can confidently tell the client in 30 minutes I can get your school website done, or in 30 minutes I can get this done, I can get that done. The client will be like, ah, how is that possible? I thought it's going to take like 3 months. Yeah, and that is because of the beauty of this template. Now let's quickly check the template so you can understand what I'm saying. The template has been well organized. All you need to do is to just to check the one that fits your type of business. Do you understand? Okay, let me explain what I mean. Now, this one here is talking about website creator. Can you see? Maybe you create a website for people, you want them to see you. Are you getting me now? See, that's what this one is talking about. This one is talking about nails studio. Maybe you're doing all this manicure, pedicure. This one is modeling agency right here. Do you understand? It can be anything. Let me just navigate through it so you can see it. Anything you choose to want to do, please ensure you have a very stable network. Do you understand? When you are on this template, so that you can show a whole lot of other tools down there. Can you see? This one is for mediation services, visual advertising agency. This one is an agro website. Maybe you're talking about pesticides and all that. So can you see? Because of time, let me just choose a particular one, and you can use it as, as you like, And look here, the left side of this template. You can see there are templates for automotives, there are beauty and fashion templates, 49 of them. There are business coaching templates here. Can you see? There are creative here, e-commerce store templates, and so much more. Do you understand? Can you see all these templates? They are all there for your advantage. So you can choose anyone that fits your business and whatever. This one is recently added template. Look at this template. Can you see them? Can you see them? Recently added, showing 600 templates. Can you see 600 templates? Can you see them? A whole lot of templates. Let me just choose one because of time, please. Now, the beauty of it is that once you click on choose, this is a particular one that maybe is about your business. You know, it's about all you do. You choose them, then added into your total reach goal level. Do you understand? To be added into your total reach goal level. Now, from this total reach goal level, you can now start doing what I call, customization or editing. Do you understand? You ensure that you use business. This is a live session training. So I just chose random one. Do you understand? If you're in business, if you do fashion, use your own creative. Now, the beauty of this is that you don't is everything now to be yes. Amen. And when you're getting your choose one, of course, affordable and that looks nice. When you say, let's say my business name is, what should I use? Maybe I'm looking of something I can customize. Okay, maybe Loki, no, Ike Tech is my company name, for example. Now I can just look for the one that has to do with Ike Tech dot app, and just buy the company. You need the number. Now, so you get it. Now, if you are someone that wants to looking, say, you know, architect dot stores. That's on the Goa level, you can get it from Namecheap, you can get it from, Cloudflare, Go 54. You can get your domain and also integrate it into your GUI level, which is very, very important. As you can see here, can you see here? It's saying connect domain, which should be the first thing, but this is a live session. Do you understand? So let us continue. And for the use of the domain, let me just show you how it looks like. There are some domains that for the purpose of this live session that were gotten. Now look here, please. Can you see this one here? You see, you have that's a domain. Can you see all this domain? We have a whole lot of domain. We should feed name.ng. So we have name.ng. Can you see? So you can get this and start using it for your business. So let's continue. So now, the first thing you need to understand is what your domain should be, number one, and get it. Number two, your creatives for that website. Before you start a website, you ask yourself, what are the things I want to put in my website? What are the videos I want to integrate into my website? What are the pictures I want to use into my website? If you have advertisements running, there's some campaigns that maybe you have someone that is doing the content for you. Do you understand? You can put it in your website. Yes, you can put content to be running on your website, whereby when people come to your website and just scroll down a little, you just see a particular place whereby the person is talking about your business. Do you understand? Your ads can be on your website. That's the beauty of it. So let's continue. Now, after you got in your creatives, you store it using the GUI level media storage. That's what we call media storage. I didn't really show it because of time. You go to media storage, you download from your laptop or from your phone, maybe your pictures you've created, your videos you've done, your content you have shot before you come to your website, because you will need a whole lot of them. Do you understand? And all this back and forth to make it look as if you can't achieve it in 30 minutes. I said 30 minutes. People say, 30 minutes. How is that possible? Yes, it is possible if you are organized. Get your domain, or if you are doing the website for a client, let the client know about this domain. They can get it in different amounts. Are you getting me? It depends on the kind of name available. Do you understand? And the purpose of the domain also is to protect your identity. It protects your business. Nobody can easily hack into your tools. They can't easily hack into your website because it's already, they can't sell a domain for two persons. Okay, let me give you an example now. The way we have,
Please, I asked a
Jumia.
question from the box. Can you
Okay,
please regarding the domain?
yeah, I'm with you. Sorry, what's the name? Who am I on to, please? So I can. I'm with
You
you,
are
please.
from Muhammad. Muhammad, yes.
Come again. I didn't hear you. I didn't get that.
Muhammad, mother of
Oh,
Muhammad.
Muhammad.
Yes,
Oh, okay.
Muhammad.
Okay, you're welcome.
Yes.
Madam
Yeah.
Muhammad, I'm with you. Please. I'm with you.
Okay, okay. No, means mother. So it's just Mommy Muhammad. Do you understand that?
Yes, yes. Uh, I'm with you.
Okay. Okay, so it's Muhammad. Okay. We can't hear. I can't personally hear you. Maybe the network. I can't hear you from my side.
Yeah, yeah. The answer for this is you can get domains as cheap as 500 naira. Are you getting me, man? You can go to Go 54 and you can get domains as cheap. Let me just type it. I saw your
Okay,
message.
I can hear you now. I can hear you. It's clear now.
Yes. Yes. Uh, 500.
Like let's say how much time will it last?
For a year. You can give an idea. Yes,
Maybe I
ma'am. So
should
you
type
can
it
use any of
out. Okay, for how long will it last?
for 1 year, please.
Okay.
And thank you, ma'am. I appreciate your you can have something more dynamic. You can you see the way I deleted it? You can do the same. You love this template and you say, okay, let me personalize. You can edit. You can even remove that woman that is there. That one that is wearing a coat. You can change it and put another person there. Do you understand? So you can unveiling. Can you see how I change it? I can change anything. I can change from this header and this you know this text, this subtotal. If I don't want anything, I can delete it. Look at this one. I'll delete it now. This one. This is the delete logo. Can you see? I deleted it. If you want to say apply to become a model, it's fine. If you don't need it, delete it. If you are selling anything, if the one you chose is for sales, maybe you want them to buy something, are you getting me? After they have done all, they have checked everything in your website, they have seen everything, and you want to put order now there. These buttons are what we actually use. So let's say I want to edify it. Look at what I'm doing now. I click on this button now. I want this button to be order now or sign up. The site, the right side is very set of where you're working. When I click to bring your own taste. Look at this one. Let me start with this. The thing that is already there is applied to become a movement. And I feel on that sign up say order now. If it's for maybe a program you can sign up. Sign up now. Do you understand? Now, another thing I want to show you is the your font. This big one that is big now is because it's a 90. Can you see? Okay, Madam Umo, sorry about that. I saw your message now. So complaining about the network. Sorry about that. Kindly exercise patience. Where we at it. So we are back. You can decide to personalize your header. Do you understand? You can personalize it. I want to change this header from modeling agency. You can call it your own. You don't just use anyone. You use just anything. You already know you that are developing a website for someone. Of course, you already know the information. You have the information of your in your notepad or somewhere. Now, this place the it has home models. You can actually change them if you don't want them. Do you understand? You can change a whole lot of things here. Do you understand? Can you see? If I decide to say I don't want this about agency to be there, or I don't want this apply to be there, so far I've put sign up here already. Simply come here, then the settings will show, like I said the other time, on the right hand side. Now it's showing everything here. The items, home, models, agency. You can even move if you want agency to come after service, you can drag it. Can you see what I did? Drag and drop. The beauty of this website is that you can do a whole lot of drag and drop and it will be very neat. You can also use coding. Yes, you can use AI to create websites on this TotalReach platform go high level. Yes, I'm just showing you the more practical aspect of it is the one I'm doing right now. Now, where is it? This apply. I said I wanted to change it the other time. This is it. You click on this three dotted line. Can you see? It brings out the option for you to change the title. Let's say I want to change it to careers. Maybe you want to get staffs. Careers. Can you see? You want to change it to careers. And when they click these careers, it takes them to kindly check my cursor, please. This title is going to be changed. The instruction is also there in this page, meaning that if anybody come to careers to click on that careers, where should it take them to? That's what it's asking me here. Do you understand? Of course, somebody that wants to join your company wants to reach out to maybe your contact or email CV or because they want to send. So I decided to say, okay, take them to contact. Can you see where I am on my cursor? Take them to contact. I click on contact. Then I submit. If you want them to change them to open a new tab, meaning that when they click on it, you know the way other people's website might be whereby when they click on something here, it's just a new tab on your browser. If you want that to be, it's fine. You want it more organized and you want it less customer is wise. Put everything on that same page. Yes, it's easier. So I'm not going to toggle this one on. If I want to use the new tab, I'll click on this place. But I won't do that because of time and because of neatness. So I click on submit. Can you see that it changed? This is the careers. It changed. Can you see? Do you understand? It's changed. Everything changed. So let's continue. If you want to change the font, like I've already explained that, if you want to change capital letter or small letter, text transformation, can you see under text transformation? If you want to make it small letter, can you see that my careers and everything there, plus my header, it changed. I'm currently working on header. Don't worry, we'll be going down, down, down till we get to the footer. The footer means the down, the base of your website. So I'm going back to use the capital letter. Capital letter is much you can delete it. If you don't like this one here, if you're not using it for modeling or something that is useful, do you understand? You can delete it. This one, if you like, delete it. And if it's something that you can use, do you understand? That you think, okay, I can use this thing, then you can leave it. Do you understand? So let's now we have a way of someone that is doing in fashion. You don't have this thing that you want to change it. It's very simple. Are you getting me? You click on the ones that you want to change. I have four here. If I decide to say I want to only three, do you understand? I'll just delete it here. Let me just delete one so I can see that it's possible for you to edit it by deleting it. Maybe you just want to close the first one to do, or you are selling phone, you just want three creative content there or three creatives there. You can delete it. I click on delete here. Can you see there? Can you see? I click on delete there. So now let's talk on this one now. This one, this first one, do you understand? Let's say I want to change it to another thing entirely. All of the other settings are very big. I don't want to miss out on it. I want to do it one after the other so I don't miss out. Look at my right, my cursor. A lot of things are there for you. When you click on your any picture here or video, it brings the settings. Can you see general styles, animation? Do you understand? Animation is actually the way that content moves. Do you understand? If I want, okay, let me give an example. If I want this one, this female here to move, I'll click on entrance animation. Now, if you now be the one to select what kind of move do you want to give it. If I want to say, okay, I want it to bounce, I want the animation to bounce, I'll click on, can you see? Bounce here. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that now? It's bouncing, right? If you just say this one, you want this one to bounce, no wahala. If you say, okay, I don't want it to bounce, I want it to have a different one, you click on it too. Do you understand? So it's very, very dynamic. This thing is very, very it's very, very doable and very, very dynamic. So everything is working. This is shaking. This one is blowing. I choose blow. So everything is working. You are the captain of your ship, so you can do your website any anyhow you want. You don't have to be a professional. You don't have to be an expert. All you need to do, or all you need to be, is be a total rich user and yourself, upgrade yourselves with our courses as we are seeing right now. So now let's continue. I'm going back to that I can show you that you can do. This one is bouncing too much. Let us bounce it out with another content. Now you can change this. Come here to come here. Then don't forget, I said before you do your website, the content are in your laptop, your computer, or your phone, or if you are using the tab, they are all there. It's easier. You can also connect your Canva. Do you understand? You connect your Canva to our platform. If I click Canva, it to Canva. Do you understand what I'm saying now? And this is my media storage. I've been able to do a whole lot of things time. So I'm just trying to look for the one that has to do with big clothes that I can just use. Okay, this one is having a clipper. So let us just use any one because of time. Do you understand? Let us use any one because of time. So I'm going back to the one I saw now. So I just it's just manageable. I don't having a clipper, so let's overlook that. So let's assume I'm into modeling or I'm selling things, clothing, and all that. So I have them already in my media storage. Probably I have like 2,000 of them here. Do you understand? That's why I said you must have everything right here. Then you click on it, the one you want to replace with that one there. You click on insert media. So this one that is jumping up and down now, it will jump out. Do you understand? It will be replaced with, okay, sorry, I think I clicked the middle one. Is this one actually I wanted to click? So the one I was there before has been changed. So let me do one more so you can understand better. Now you want this jumping to stop, you come back to animations here. You click on entrance animation, then probably you can choose another thing that is different from the jump. I think the way it's doing jumping is confusing our, okay, okay. So let's continue. This one is having, I don't want to, let me just quickly show you some on size. Now, this one here, you can see that this border means the edges of my content, the edge of my pictures. Now, you want to design it, like, you want to edit before the content is correct. Let's see that. Enter. Now, can you see what I did? I changed two things. I changed this edge. The first one, this border size, is for this edge here. For this guy's on, I changed it. Do you understand? I also did what? I changed the whole, background. I curved it to 200. Can you see? That's why I said if you want to design and use this tool, you can use this one that looks like CC of your website. So if you want to change it back, all you need to do is to delete this one, click on 0 and enter. This corner radius to click on 0 and do what? And enter. So it's back, the guy is back the way we did it. Now I said I want to change one more thing so you can see how to change them. Sorry. Okay. Now I want to change this, comes back to general here. Then you want to change this with another person. So I believe by now you already know how to change content. If it's video, it's the same thing. If you have video in your media storage, the same way you are changing your content, your picture, you can change your video in the website. It's very interesting though. I'm telling you. That's why you see some people they enter website say, see this animation, guys, look at this content, it's very beautiful. Yes, it's the way they took their time, to design it. Okay, I think I saw one that you can use for this now. I'm waiting for it to load though. Sorry, see with you. Okay, now look here, please. You come here, you see a whole lot of things. Even the background, you can change it. You can change it. Can you see image? You can change it video wise too. Let me just try it. and see if I have a video here. Okay, I think I have. I also, so you also need to ensure that you have a network as well. So, so I don't think I have a video of a female or a model, but let me just put anything there. Okay. Oh, this is a whole lot. This is 17 MB. I'll be to go. So while it's probably going to load, let's continue with other things we are doing. And do a whole lot of things here. Now the next one is the page whereby you can maybe like more of like information about your product. You can change it here. You can edit this place. You can luxury. It depends on what you want to do. Luxury gallery. Are you getting me now? Then you can use this place, all these boxes. You can the footer. I think the network has bounced us out again. Okay. I'm still with you, please. Okay, I appreciate Mr. Wale Babalola. You are really with us throughout. Sorry for the network challenges. So I want to quickly show you something that you can also do under the footer. Do you understand? Now you come to the footer here. You can change, like I said the other time, you know we changed the name of the agency to Tinker something. Don't forget that you should always you always go through it. If there's anything that is not yours, you delete it. Like this one now, I don't need it. Delete it. You have your own email. You have your own official email. Let's say the no email is Tinker modeling. Tinker modeling at do you understand? Maybe gmail.com. So if anybody is coming, if I publish this website now, I get me. And anybody is coming, they can see me here. People that want to apply or know more about us, they can do that here. Now this logo is showing phone. Can you see? You can put your phone number. Because you are looking beyond. Also, you can get international. You can decide to say, um, I don't know, let's say Alausa, for example, Alausa Ikeja. Can you see the website is already getting more personalized as if I'm the owner? And of course, you are the owner. Yes, no, you are the owner. Can you see? This one you can always ensure that you put your year under copyright. Please always put the year. It shows if the website is dead or alive. So how do I mean that now? How do I know? If you come down here to under copyright, you see some maybe year 2000 or year 2000 will be there. No, you can change it if you are working on it regularly. If you are the one working on a client's website, always update it. If you come next year now and you are doing a maintenance on this website, you have to change it under copyright. Copyright 2027. Please don't forget that. That's under that. Now let's continue. You can put anything that's to you, your details, your Facebook details, anything you do. And you think that you're not going to see that, so you can just delete it if you don't need it. So let's continue. I'm going back up again. Each one that is moving is part of the layout, is the settings. Can you see? Can you come back? Please come here. You see what I'm talking about? This place. You can use it though, it's very nice. Probably you have your own logo, your own business name. You can use it here. Do you understand? Or you have partners. Maybe you have other people that partners with you. Maybe you have a popular model partners. You have subsidiaries that are working with you. You can come down to logos here. Do you understand? And this is the next layout. So it's layout. It's good. You can space them, you want to space them. You can need your to slide it. And if you want it to be moving itself, you use the ticker. For me, I love the ticker in low notes. It shows the navigation. It shows, it makes your website looks animated, customized, beautiful. Now, what else can you do on that? You don't I don't want five to be there. Let me delete it. You can add anything to it. You can do anything you want there. Do you understand? You can do a whole lot of things there. But let me just show you how you can delete one. You can come here and delete. So that logo will change to 6. Do you understand? So that's very easy to do. And if you say you want to put something there, it's possible. If you want to put your own logo, you come under image here, this image that is showing here. Okay. image very sorry. Do you understand? Session have any I don't use product. I don't have to see. But let me just I just once you get here, you got image, just click on the then to bring it automatically it loads. Focus be very sharp. It will load into that segment. That is that about that. It's where you want it. If you want it to be faster, you slide it like this. You can make it 5 to be faster. If you want to make it slower, you can bring it slower. So that is that. If you want to change the background color, it depends on what you want to change the color of your you get a lot of time, look for time. Do you understand? Look for time. In your leisure time, sit down with your tool, your go high level, your total risk platform. Sit down with it and be playing with your tools. Trust me. Just like when you get a new phone, maybe you have not that phone ever before. And you're just you don't have manual, you don't understand the manual. And some of my logo that is put there is there. You know, just selected a random thing. So if it's your own logo, that is what it's going to show. And you can start your own logo using Canva. You can use Canva to do that. So you can as I was saying, I said if you already have that on you can even use your phone to do all these things you're talking about. You can use your phone, you can use everything. My timer is already telling me that it's 12 o'clock. That's why I'm worried. I'm worrying up a bit. So you can delete anything. Remember, I changed this the other time. Remember, it's loading. The reason I did this because I want to show you that you can actually change. You can change anything. You can put video. Do you understand? You can put video into this your segment. Do you understand? You can put a video. You can put anything there. Anything that you don't need, please, you can delete it as well. Can you see? Can you see now? Now this subtext, this is the main content here. Let's say this bag is what I want to sell. I'm the one selling the bag. Look below here. This is a subtext. You can click on it. That's why I say you can use some of their features. Now this subtext you can put, I don't know, maybe dollars. You can say this bag is do all in one. For modeling, I've explained that. For people that are dealing with goods, you are selling out a product. Maybe you are selling phone, you are selling shoe. You have put the content there. You can use the subtext under to put your price there. Do you understand? You can do that. And so anybody that is coming to your bag now can say, oh, this bag, oh, it's very affordable. Wow, ooh la la, let me go for it. And that's what you so anything you don't need, please don't forget I said you can delete them. Any default pictures that is actually there before, you can delete them. And if you don't need all these pages, depending on what you want to do, you can delete anything you want to delete. It's very, very easy to use and very, very easy to get through. Understand? So, and I want you to your usual do this as a probably let's say an assessment. Do you understand? I appreciate you guys. Still is an interesting session. Thank you very much. I appreciate. I also apologize for the network. I'll work on my network for tomorrow's session. Please ensure you join us from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. I'll work on my network better than today. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. It will be very, very interesting. Do you understand? I'm going to talk about online store. Today is website. Do you understand? Online store, how to create store, e-commerce store for your business, how to get your money even right there for your store. Do you understand now? So that is a very, very interesting topic. Please ensure you don't miss this topic tomorrow. Ensure you join us and you can use it to scale your business effectively well. TikTok, we are in your even your YouTube. You can send a message, then our support team will be there to assist you. Or on your go high level, anytime you're having challenges, you can use that total risk support. Do you understand? And so roll out some resources there as well. Do you understand? So thank you very much. Do have a wonderful day.